Alright guys, market's about to open, 5 seconds, 5, 4, okay, it's about to happen, live event, 1, and market just opened. Alright, so market just opened today. We are looking for longs, or actually, yeah, we're looking for longs because that's what our bias is saying, that's what our strategy is saying, because we did manipulate here, and we got a reversal, so we should be looking for London to just continue this trend and go up higher. But that's, I don't know, because on the 4 hourly, it makes sense on the 4 hourly because, you know, we have this gap here, but on the hourly, it doesn't really make too much sense. Because look at these draws compared to the upside on the hourly. These draws to the downside look a lot more appealing. So yeah, I was kind of on the, you know, where am I going to go? But I've made my decision. I'm going to stick to it. And if it doesn't want to, you know, continue the trend, we can just look for shorts. So that's what we're doing today. I'm pretty excited. Today's going to be a good day to trade. There's nothing really on the high time frame that we're going to worry about except for this 4 hourly gap here. So if we take out this draw of liquidity into market open, I'm probably going to be looking for shorts, because that's also filling a 4 hourly gap. That means we've filled in a gap. We might even want to take out these draws because it's a bit of low resistance, not too much, because this is very far apart. But you know, so if that's how we go with market open, you know, it's going to be more leaning towards shorts, but we'll have to kind of wait and see. Hopefully we can be longs for today. I reckon I'd target in the middle of the 4 hourly gap, like here or something, because we are pretty overextended, I can't lie. Like, yesterday was fucking crazy. I was gonna upload yesterday, but I ended up not because I couldn't find an entry. We just kept going down. May as well quickly show you market open. Market opened right here, and we just couldn't find an entry. This was at like 8:05. I could have entered here, but we really couldn't have. There was a breaker structure back to the upside on the 5 minute. No filling any fair value gaps, and then we just pushed down. So no trades yesterday, which is a bit annoying, and hopefully we can get a trade in today. I'm not trading tomorrow. There is a shit ton of news, I'm not even gonna lie. Crazy news. Don't know why I have, wait, what? How come I had those folders? But we do have a bunch of news, not even just, why is Euro news showing? Wait, what happened to my thing? So if we have a look here, it is GBP at 6 p.m. It's a red folder, and that's not even a flash or prelim. And then we have this, which is flash, but both red folders, that's at 8:30 p.m. We still could be in a trade at 8:30 p.m. if we're like, you know. So I don't think I'm going to trade tomorrow. I have work anyway, so I can't even trade. So, you know, it is what it is. I would like to get in a trade on this day, but we'll see if we can, you know, win on another Thursday the week after. And then we have one more week for this month. I feel like the months are just going like that. This would have been a winning day if we didn't get stopped out break even. This would have been $28. That's alright though. I'm already seeing improvement compared to last month, which honestly, it's looking pretty identical, I can't lie. But we have a lot more break-even trades this month, which is a bit more nice. That's improvement, and I think we're going to be able to trade a bit more this month as well. But the main thing is just seeing improvement, that we're, you know, profitable. We've only had one loss this whole month. That's good. This wasn't a loss. This was a break-even day. So I might actually change that, but we're shooting up on this market open. We might be looking for shorts today, but I'm going to continue with my bullish bias. And crazy news, not that crazy. I always say this, if you guys actually like watch a bit far into, you guys will know my Serrata shit. I came to the full conclusion. I don't know if I said this in my last video. I probably said something very similar to it, but it's crazy. It's ribcage expansion. That's what I need, because like, how am I supposed to work out my serratus anterior, which I'm hyper fixating on, if I can't, like, if my place doesn't even have, like, you know, shit to rest on. Look at me, like, bro, imagine I get this shit fixed. Like, this is terrible. Remember guys, this is a before. I'm just showing a quick before. and we'll have after results eventually, but like, oh, it's so... I've been working on this shit for like nearly half a year now. No, a bit more than half a year, I think. Maybe a bit less. Maybe it's time dilation getting onto me, because it's been like me trying to work on this shit for ages. But I don't even know what to say other than like, this has to be it. It's definitely like, it's muscle related, but it's not fully muscle related, and that's what I'm kind of forgetting. Like, that's what I need to get to the root cause. Like, yes, it is muscle related, but it also, how am I supposed to work out this muscle to pull in and glue my fucking shoulder blades to my rib cage if my rib cage doesn't even have the room to, like, you know what I'm saying? So fuck, it's pretty complicated. But I think I can do this. You know, I'm just fucking non-stop. You know, I've went to physio and shit. I'm not quitting. I'm never quitting on this. I'm gonna fix it. And shit, bro. Alright guys, we're gonna see how this plays out right now. We have potential entries here. Price is just doing its thing. We did come up into this 5-minute gap, and we also hit 5-minute equilibrium. It's just whether we're gonna respect this, get a reaction down on the 1 minute, break of structure back to the downside on the 1 minute. We'll have to wait and see. I'm gonna play it patient. But it's looking really nice for shorts. If we can't look for shorts, like if we end up disrespecting this gap on the 5 minute or something like that, we can then look for longs. Hey buddy, look, it's the fucking, look. What are you even thinking of, bro? Don't do it. Oh, fat reaction up. Oh, where are we going? We could break structure on this 5-minute candle. Hey, bud. Oh, yeah, I haven't been around for him because I'm too busy trading with you guys. You guys are neglecting me from my dog. You guys happy? Huh? Huh? Look at him. Look at him. Does this look like a dog I should be leaving for the streets? No. No, it doesn't. So I suggest you guys stop. Alright, just stop. Oh shit, there's a bird right there. Yo, yo, yo. Oi, that's too cute. Oh, dude, eyes bulging. No, I'm kidding. Oh, it's too cute. Guys, let's be honest. I have the cutest dog. Like, let's be honest, out of it. Ooh, thought he was jumping. Let's be real here. Like, out of every dog you've ever seen, I hate to break it to you guys, but mine, just the shit. I can't lie. Just the shit. Just the poop. I don't know what he's doing. He's just like chewing my bed. I think he wants my bed. Dude, beds. I'm sorry, bro. The bed's not like that thing. Alright, nice. We broke 5-minute structure. Shit, I might switch my bias here. I'm gonna switch my bias here. Do you want out? Do you want out? Oh, mentor out. Alright, well, we just switch our bias. It's now time to look for that 5-minute continuation. What's that gonna look like? It's gonna look like an equilibrium hit for me. We'll see how that works out. And then a 1 minute, like, fill in a gap or something and then rally up. That could be something. We could still go down, but it really depends on, like, how we're going. We could either retrace or just get a reaction down from, you know, this structure that we're kind of in. We'll see what happens. Yo, guys, we lost our trade. We lost $8.50. Bit bummed about today. I'm just gonna be honest with myself. I forced the trade. I'm a bit annoyed because I said I was gonna leave it for the day, but like I was thinking, like, you know, it's fine to enter late into market open. Like, you know, there's gonna be some times where it's late into market open and whatever. But new rule for my trading: if we can't find a trade before an hour after market open, I'm just not gonna trade, because we did stick to our plan and whatever. We got this 5-minute equilibrium, 1-minute break of structure back to the upside, and then down back to the downside. Entered on the 5-minute closure. You know, we stuck to our rules and whatever. It just wasn't the right, you know, thing. Price was just the whole time being a bit, you know, whatevs, and I forced the trade. So, you know what that means? Be happy, because we're not going to make this a mistake again. We could have made it back in the past again. So yeah, pretty happy with today. 2 losses now this month. So that is fine. That is fine. Yeah, 2 losses this month. I'm going to fix this, because I don't know why it says that. But yeah, 2 losses this month. So hopefully we can have a win next week. Hopefully. I think I might be able to trade tomorrow. I don't think I am anyways, because, you know, news and shit. But either way, good day today. I'll see you boys on Monday. I think I'm going to upload a vlog though this weekend. Low-key. Need a vlog with you guys. I need to like talk to you guys. You know what I'm saying? I like doing that. So we're going to probably do that as well, but bit annoying. Like, I am a bit annoyed that I did that. But that's the good thing. This is like, don't even be annoyed. Be fucking happy, because remember, you know, we've been doing good so far. We've been doing really good. This is just a minor problem that we got to fix. We can not do this again, which we're not. That's like a new rule. We're not, like, ever, like, for the rest of my trading career, for day trading, we're not going to be entering that late into market open. You know, it just doesn't seem right. I just, as soon as I entered, I was just like, yeah, fuck. You know, I guess I was confident, but then I just wasn't. So I guess I wasn't confident. And I kind of just was doing what I felt like was right, which was, you know, we're going to take out all these draws. And we ended up not, because it's not what I feel like, it's whatever the market's doing. And the market wasn't giving us good price action today. Don't enter. We waited in the charts for an hour. Why then force a trade just to lose? You know? So good improvement today. I'll see you boys hopefully this weekend. Laters, guys.